Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if Chrome is not opening. So to start, go ahead and uninstall it and reinstall it again. So go to Chrome app, press and hold it, and click remove app. Then click delete app. Click delete once more. Once deleted, go to App Store or Play Store, then search for Chrome. So search for Chrome and open it, then click the cloud icon to install it and wait for it to finish installing. Once done, open it and see if that solves the problem. Another thing you can do is to open settings. So once you're on the main settings, scroll down and go to general, go to iPhone storage, then search for Chrome in here, then click offload app, click offload app once more. So once you see reinstall app, tap on that and let it reinstall the app. So this will free up storage used by the app but keeps its documents and data. So after reinstalling, go ahead and open Chrome again and see if that solves the problem. Now, another thing you can do is to again go to settings, then go to general, then scroll down and open transfer or reset the iPhone, then tap reset, then tap reset network settings, enter your passcode, then tap on Reset Network Settings once more, and once done, open Chrome and see if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.